Hey guys, DJ here from ARMOUR Detail Supply, and we're excited to be launching our ARMOUR Academy located here in Northern Virginia. At ARMOUR Academy, it's going to be an exclusive one-on-one training here with me inside of my shop. We're going to touch base on everything from how to prep a vehicle all the way up to ceramic coating and finishing touches. The best part about coming to a one-on-one training, you're not just another student. We set up a phone call ahead of time. We find out what's going to give you the best value. While we may have a curriculum in place that we want to cover on things that we see as a need, at the end of the day, we want to make sure that you're happy with your 2-day training here at ARMOUR Academy. One-on-one is going to be extremely important for us. And in the past, we've had small groups, 4 to 6 people, up to large groups, 10 to 20 people. While some people get a great experience out of it, you miss a little bit. There's simply too many people, not enough trainers. The biggest thing for us when the one-on-one is we can literally cater our 2 days however we want. We can take our time, we're patient with it. We don't have a specific deadline that we have to get through a certain amount of things. If you're not comfortable with step 1, we're not moving until we're not moving to step 2. We know there is so much content out there, but nothing can replace what you're gonna get done in a 2-day one-on-one training here with me. Ultimately, our goal is to get through an entire car from start to finish. But the best part about being a one-on-one training is if there's something you wanna dig into a little bit more, refine your skills, maybe you have a couple questions throughout the process, we can spend a little bit more time to make sure that you're leaving with plenty of confidence. While this is an ARMOUR Academy training, it's not a product sales pitch. Our biggest thing that we want you to take away from this is a process that you can go home with, you can become more efficient with. Ultimately, we want this to become easier, and if you're a business, we want you to be able to make more money. We're not here to sell you for 2 days. We're here to train you, guide you, and the moment you walk out that door, you're set up with skills that last. So what's included in the 2 days? First of all, you're gonna wanna fly into IAD, Dulles Airport. I'll pick you up from the airport, take you to one of the local hotels. I'll provide transportation to and from the hotel to the shop each day. Both days, lunch will be provided. We're also gonna do a nice dinner after the first day. The only thing you're gonna have to do on your end is book your flight and your choice of local hotel. Once training is complete, you're gonna have a certificate, access to a special tier pricing on ADS chemicals, and we're also gonna send you out a swag pack full of ADS gear. We know there are a lot of options for training, but at a similar price, we wanna offer you a one-on-one experience. One of our big takeaways after attending ARMOUR Academy, not only do we want you to start polishing, detailing, and coating at a very high level, we also want you to have a lot of fun while doing it. If you have any questions about what ARMOUR Academy includes, anything we can help you out with, help make your decision easier, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to working with you.